I think we can all agree that manufacturing is undergoing a revolution, and it is being driven by one simple machine. The 3D printer. In just a few years, 3D printing has gone from a desktop curiosity to an industrial powerhouse. And the pace of evolution shows no signs of slowing down. New material, new processes, and new business models are pushing the boundaries of what is possible with 3D. Printing and its impact on the manufacturing industry is nothing short of extraordinary. This capability opens up new possibilities for manufacturers to offer personalized products to their customers, creating unique items that are tailored to their exact specifications. This is because 3D printing eliminates the need for tooling and molds, which can take weeks or even months to manufacture. Instead, 3D printers can produce parts directly from digital files in a fraction of the time. These benefits enable manufacturers to produce innovative products faster, cheaper, and with greater precision, giving them a competitive edge in the market. Embracing 3D printing is no longer an option for manufacturers. It's a necessity to stay ahead of the curve and drive innovation. This speed and agility allow manufacturers to respond quickly to customer requests and deliver products to market faster than ever before. Moreover, 3D printing enables companies to distribute manufacturing resources more efficiently, allowing them to produce parts closer to where they are needed. This reduces transportation costs and lead times, further enhancing the overall efficiency of the supply chain. Furthermore, 3D printing enables the creation of parts with optimized designs that take advantage of the material properties and eliminate unnecessary features. This technology allows manufacturers to create parts with complex geometries and fine details that would be challenging or impossible to achieve with other methods. The result is improved product performance, reduced waste, and increased customer satisfaction. This results in lighter, stronger, and more efficient parts that perform better while using less material. Overall, the ability to customize, optimize, and personalize parts through 3D printing is transforming the manufacturing industry and giving companies a competitive edge. In this video, we're going to look at how 3D printing is changing the game for manufacturers, allowing them to produce complex parts faster, cheaper, and with greater precision than ever before. We'll also touch on some of the challenges that 3D printing brings and how manufacturers are overcoming them. So sit tight and get ready to be amazed at how 3D printing is transforming manufacturing as we know it. 3D printing offers several advantages over traditional manufacturing processes such as casting, machining, and injection molding. It allows manufacturers to produce complex parts with intricate details that would be impossible, or extremely difficult to achieve with other methods. Additionally, 3D printing eliminates the need for expensive and time-consuming tooling, allowing for quick iteration and prototyping. This flexibility enables manufacturers to respond quickly to customer demands and market changes, which is crucial in today's fast-paced business environment. One of the key benefits of 3D printing is its ability to produce customized parts on demand. Another significant advantage of 3D printing is its potential to reduce lead times dramatically. And let's not forget about the incredible precision and detail that 3D printing brings to the table. As you can see, 3D printing is transforming the manufacturing industry by offering increased customization, reduced lead times, and optimized production processes. Now, did you find this video helpful? If so, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on additive manufacturing. Thanks for watching.